Hello friends, in the series of C programming, in previous video till now we discussed functions, basics of functions and function definition, what is function declaration and function calling. Now here in this video we're going to discuss one example which is based on function so you can understand what is mean by function calling, function declaration and function definition. So let's start. So here you can see this is the one C program where this program is written by using function. In this program we are accepting two numbers and we display or we print addition of these two numbers by using function. Now here at first line I included stdio.h. At second line I declare a function. Now function declaration, and it is also known as function prototype, which we already studied in previous video, that is how to declare, what is the syntax of function declaration. Now in C program, whatever you used, first you have to declare it. It may be either variable or it may be either function. Now at next line, this is the first function main, and inside main this is called as, or this particular line is nothing but function calling. Now when the compiler come or the control of compiler comes at the function calling, or when it calls a function, it simply transfer its control to the where the function is defined or where the function definition. Now this part is nothing but the function definition. Inside definition we can write the actual code which is going to execute after call. Now here in function definition it declare the three variables, that is number 1, number 2 and number 3. These are three variables. Now in printf we have to accept two numbers, so we put the one message that enter two numbers. We scan that two numbers by %d and num1 and num2. Now we are making addition of two numbers, number 1 plus number 2, and we store the result into number 3. Now these are the all variables. Now we simply print the answer, that is number 3. Addition of two number is %d number 1. So this is the program by using a function. Now let's run this program. So here it asking for entering two numbers. Suppose I enter two number, that is 60 and 6021 and 1. So I'll get the result. Addition of two number is 6021. Now inside main, suppose I again call the same function sum, and if I run the same program again, and if I enter two numbers, ten, I'll get the result. Addition of two numbers is 20. Now in main I again call the same function, that's why it's again asking the enter two numbers. Suppose I enter 12, 80 and 12, I'll get the addition of two numbers is 92. Now in the main, suppose I again call function sum, and now this function is called as a 3 times or thrice. Let again run the same program. Now enter two numbers. Suppose this time I enter 2020, I'll get the result as a 40. Again for second calling, it asking the number, that is, suppose I again entered 30 and 50, I'll get the result. Addition of two numbers is 80. Now in this program I call the function 3 times, so again it asking 80 and 20, so I'll get the result. Addition of two numbers is 100. Now what is mean by this? I call a function 3 times, so here I display a result 3 times for different inputs. That is the use, or that is the advantage of the function. The advantage of the function is nothing but the reusability. I can reuse the same code again and again by calling the function inside main. That is, I return the function definition only once, but I can call it multiple times. Inside main, I can call it multiple times. That is the use, or that is nothing but the reusability, and that is the important function or important role of a function. Now here, after this writing a definition, you can write the another function definition like multiplication, division, etc. You can call same, or you can call some function in other function also. Calling is allowed inside other function, but you cannot write a function definition inside another function. So this is all about the function example. Now this second line is nothing but the function declaration. This part, this is called as a function call or function calling, and this particular lines called as a function definition. Now you can give the answer of one question that in this program I use the two function, that is the first function is the main and one more function is the sum. So there are two functions. In previous video we already studied there are two basic function types. The first is the library function and second is the user defined function. Now here in this program I use the main function. So the question is, the main is which kind of function, that is whether it is library function or user defined function. You can write the answer into the comment box also. Thank you.